Welcome to India's most unserious quiz show, जहां right answer को मिलेगा +10 और applause break को मिलेगा +20. It's time to play The Nation Wants to Guess. Please give it up for your host, Gursimran Khamba.
Hello and welcome to The Nation Wants to Guess, a comedy quiz show. Ladies and gentlemen, nowadays two things are happening in this country. You can get jailed if you do jokes, and you can get to jail if you ask questions. So we decided, why not do both in one show? I don't know about you guys, मेरा lawyer बहुत excited है इस show के बारे में. But before we start, I want to actually introduce all of you guys to my sidekick in this show. Please give a huge round of applause for Rohan Desai. Rohan Desai is exactly like Rohan Joshi without the fame, talent, or looks.
अपनी अपनी किस्मत है भाई. Some people get the wrong Rohan, some people get the wrong AIB founder.
Fuck these interns. Anyway, moving on to introducing our three panelists. Our first panelist is on the spectrum. What we have to find out is if it's autism or depression. Please give a huge round of applause for Shamik Chakravarti. I was about to say Chaturvedi for some reason. Sorry, Shamik. All right, to introduce our next panelist. He's a father, he's alcoholic, and he loves cricket. I'm not talking about Ravi Shastri, I'm talking about Anirban Dasgupta. Of course he has a drink in his hand. Of course he has a drink in his hand. And our final contestant is the reason Zomato makes a profit. Please give a huge round of applause to Karnesh Talwar. Hi guys, hi. Guys, before we start, I want to ask Shamik you the first question I want to ask.
Yes.
Who do you think is your biggest competitor here?
Since you asked me first, I'll use the cliche. I think I am my biggest competitor. Just so they can't use that answer.
Anirban, I'm being asked to ask you to put the cup down. You can't.
Yes, because this is not a branded show, guys.
Down your stomach.
Wait, down where?
I think you have to down the drink. That's what.
Yeah, just.
Guys, we have lost a contestant, guys. What the fuck?
I think based on recent evidence, Karunesh is my biggest competitor.
But I had ordered one more.
Karunesh, who do you think is going to cry the most if they lose from these two?
I think Anirban. I just have never seen Shamik express any emotion. Anirban तो KKR हार जाती तो बैठ कर रोता है यार.
Yes, I'm so happy they fired the coach.
Is Anirban's audio okay? Is it? Guys, one second, we're just checking audio just for you.
Audio is okay, they are only not laughing.
Yeah. We're good to go? Yeah, okay, we're good to go. All right, guys, we are going to start straight with round one, okay? Just to introduce round one, the rules to you guys. Round one is all about true stories, okay? Oh, before we go to round one, I have fucked up because it's the first show. Shut the
Great
fuck
job.
up. I'm very nervous. Okay, we will take it again. That is the point of YouTube. Fuck you guys. तुम्हें क्या लगता है भैंस रणबीर कपूर एक टेक देता है? Anyway. Today's grand prize, we will tell you what all of you guys are competing for in today's episode. The grand prize that all of you are competing for, it is a laptop. Let's move on. Are you ready to play? The Nation Wants to Guess.
Round 1 is a buzzer round called True Story, where each question is based on an actual news article. Let's play.
Let's go with question number 1. Before his gold medal winning attempt at the 2024 Olympics, Pakistani athlete Arshad Nadeem went to his coach and teen doctor complaining about pain. What did they say in response? This is a multiple choice question. Option 1, बॉल ही नहीं खत्म हो गई. Option 2, कोई ना तू शेर है. Option C, लड़कियों की तरह रो मत. और Option D, कभी विन कभी लर्न. It's a buzzer round. Who wants to go first? Anirban is genuinely buzzed. I don't know what the fuck to do. Guys, yes. Yes, Shamik.
Do I have to press it again?
No, that is the best it will do.
20 points to you.
I'm gonna go with Volini khatam ho gayi hai, assuming you guys got a sponsorship deal and this is a sneaky way of cutting to an ad right at the beginning of the show.
I think, Shamik, you have too much faith in me and this show. If you think I've gotten a brand sponsorship, that's the wrong answer. Anybody else want to take a guess?
So you press mine, I'll press yes.
There are no negative points. You can take a fucking guess. Please, yes, Karunesh.
I think लड़की की तरह रो मत ही बोला होगा. Just judging by whatever other media I've consumed that's sports related from Pakistan. You know what I mean? Like I'm a cricket fan और वो लोग क्रिकेट की बात करते हैं तो बोलते हैं हमारे लड़के घटिया खेलते हैं और इन लोगों को हटा देना चाहिए. ये सब रेलू कट्टे हैं. ये सब सिफारिशी हरामजादे हराम का खाते हैं. लड़कियों की क्रिकेट की बात आती है तो वो कहते हैं इनको तो खेलना ही नहीं चाहिए. देखो ये घर के बाहर आके कर क्या रही हैं. तो मेरे हिसाब से अरशद नदीम को यही बोला होगा कि लड़की की तरह रो मत.
That's the wrong answer, guys. That's the wrong answer. That was a good attempt. That was a good attempt. That was a lot of massive rant by Karunesh, but that's wrong. Yes.
I have just used my 50-50 option.
Plus 20.
Plus 20 for Anirban.
He brought some fans,
you
man.
Don't give me 20. Can you give me a drink?
That's another 20. That's another 20.
20 नहीं 60 मांगा था, right?
I am gonna go with phone of no. कोई ना तू शेर है because this कभी win है कभी learn है. This Mohammad Rizwan says and I believe he is not a doctor.
That is the right answer. Of course. While we are here, I also want to take all of you guys through the 3 stages of treatment that happen in Pakistan. The first is कोई ना तो शेर है. The second stage is इन्हें दवा नहीं दुआ की जरूरत है. And the third main one, एकदम से वक्त बदल गया, जज्बात बदल गए. That's the main one. In fact, अगर पाकिस्तान में कभी ट्विंस भी पैदा होते हैं तो डॉक्टर बोलता है oh yes is a 2.
Yeah, I think if this coach is giving results, then how about hiring him for KKR?
It's like कोई ना तू शेर है is Pakistan's homeopathy.
But this is not the best part of the story. The best part about this article is the article was basically about, you know, the father-in-law, Arshad Nadeem's father-in-law. Because Arshad Nadeem's father-in-law, after he won the Olympic gold medal, gave him a great gift.
Yes.
Do you remember what this gift is? This is not, you're not going to get sure? Yes. Do you remember what the gift is?
A buffalo.
Yes, that's the right answer. Yes.
कोच ने आके बफेलो को बोला कि कोई ना तू भैंस है.
What does it say about the coach said tu sher hai and then he was given a buffalo? I think we're missing a key part of the action right now. Where's that footage? Release the footage. Hey, 3 claps. Give me some points.
कोई ना तू शेर है.
Yes. Anirban performing better than all of KKR. On the first question. Amazing. Let's move on to the next question, guys. The next question. Earlier this year, the Thailand police was called to a hotel room in Pattaya at 2:30 in the morning after a bar girl and 3 Indian men got into a heated argument. Who called the cops and why? This is not a multiple choice question. Yes, Anirban.
EIC was performing.
everyone, fellow comedians.
Oh, okay, Atul Khatri, I meant to say. But because there was 3 Indian men, I included Sapan and Azim.
That is the wrong answer. Atul sir, please come for this show. Please.
What do you mean it's the bar girl?
Who called the cops and why?
Acha, who called the... Oh, okay, yes.
Anirban has just now understood the question.
They were not happy. with the return on investment. And therefore it was a...
Sorry.
No, it's okay. You take it over.
Sorry. I'm going to say the bar girl because the men said 1/3 hoga kya or something like that.
Yes.
The wives of the 3 Indian men. Yes.
That is all wrong answers, guys. All wrong answers. Answer बताएं. Indian tourists in Pattaya complained the bar girl's chest was too small after she undressed and called the cops at 2:30 in the morning.
Oh my God.
Let's move on to the next question. Next question. An astrologer was in the news recently after successfully predicting the fall of Nepal back in 2023. According to his latest prediction, what major tragedy will befall India in the year 2039? This is a multiple choice question. All right. Tragedy number 1, Rahul Gandhi will become PM. Tragedy number 2, India will not remain a democracy. Tragedy number 3, Taimur will debut with Student of the Year 37. Or tragedy number 4, Ankur Warikoo will be declared finance minister. Yes, Karunesh.
देखो बी तो नहीं है क्योंकि
Speak for yourself. I personally don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what he's talking about. I have just liked Modi Hai To Mumkin Hai video today.
ए भी नहीं है क्योंकि ठीक है डी भी नहीं है क्योंकि अंकुर वारिकुफ को फाइनेंस के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ पता है और तैमूर आई थिंक उतनी एज का हो जाएगा तब तक और करण जोहर को कुछ नहीं होने वाला वो सिर्फ खा खा के 150 साल का हो जाएगा ठीक है
But that's like
तो वो
two-
बनाएगा स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 37 आ जाएगी तब तक
That's
So
a
my
lot of
answer.
students of the year to make by 2030.
Yeah.
Starkey.
There are a lot of kids also, no? Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I think Rahul Gandhi will become PM means he just apply for a job as project manager.
20 points to Stomach. Finally opening his account. But Karnesh, you didn't complete your guess. Which one finally then?
See, Taimur will, by process of elimination.
By process of elimination, that is the wrong answer. That's the wrong answer. He got 60 points already though. Pretty good. Anybody else want to wager a guess?
I'll go with Ankur Warikoo will be declared finance minister. And I think this is also a paid partnership.
That is the wrong answer.
Okay.
Do you want to do 50-50 again? That is his strategy. 50-50 on everything. Yes.
Okay, according to his latest prediction, what major tragedy will...
अबे मैं तो बंगाली subtitle दूंगा तेरे को।
Anirban, he's like, let them eliminate 2, then I'll read the question.
I would say
B for Bengal. Go for
for
it.
10 points.
You can't choose how many points.
No. Right answer is 10 points. Right answer is 10 points.
I feel A is not... once again... major tragedy. Okay. A is not a tragedy because at this point it is a miracle. I would go with B. India will not remain a democracy.
That's the right answer. That is the right answer.
Someone should ask him when Khamba will clear my payments.
Man, I feel like I'm in the middle of some domestic situation.
कोई ना तो शेर है यार
+20.
we have to do something about this strategy of his, Rohan. He can't be fucking doing 50-50 every time.
I don't think it's a strategy. I think he's so drunk, it's a disability.
All right, the smoking room of the country, Calcutta. कलकत्ते पे सवाल है, कलकत्ते पे. पढ़ ले. The smoking room of the country, Kolkata, is home to the iconic Howrah Bridge. For 80 years, it has survived everything from Japanese air raids during World War II to earthquakes to even Bengalis. However, engineers from the Port Trust claim that the structure is now facing its biggest threat. What threat are they talking about? This is not a multiple choice.
KKR management.
$20 points, but wrong answer. That is the wrong answer. Anybody else want to take a guess? Minus 20 का तुम्हारा rate निकालेगा.
I would say Howrah Bridge. One second, let me read.
Please shorten the questions, please.
Okay. I thought this is like the answer is in the question.
Is it like a philosophical thing? Like Howrah Bridge is the biggest threat to itself.
But it's true. Forget Port Trust. I am saying Howrah Bridge is in big trouble because.
I'll take a guess.
We have to wait for it to stop.
This sound in this venue is quite scary.
Which venue? I am not seeing any logo.
You have made an edge with this height formation.
Are we giving them points or disqualifying
Let's not. I think for the next question, we should just show the question. If anyone can read the question, we should give 10 points.
But you first give me my 60.
You want to give
Anirban,
him?
what is this? You're a father of a child.
Not for this hour.
I think everyone has attempted it, but they have not gotten the right answer. I think, no, Karan, I'm not accepting. Okay, you quickly give one word answer, otherwise I'm moving
I'm
on.
answering because they've again done 50-50.
There are no options, you fucking
Options ही
drunk.
नहीं है.
But still.
Okay, tell.
Victoria Memorial.
Are you just listing off things in the city now?
This is like ChatGPT. Tell me.
Minus 10 कर इसका.
-10, -10.
Minus 10 for disruption.
Unsportsmanlike behavior.
Yeah, unsportsmanlike. Breaching ICC code of conduct. Anyway, the right answer, we'll give you guys the right answer. Gutka stains. Gutka stains is the right answer.
Again, I've given partial right answer.
You said Victoria Memorial.
No, I said Howrah Bridge before that.
You said Howrah Bridge.
Yes, so this is. See,
Do you still not know what the question was?
Anirban, what's the question?
what was the question?
Tell us the question.
को खराब क्या कर रहा है?
क्या कर रहा है?
क्या?
Oh, अच्छा, okay, sorry. Yes, I think we could cut this question.
Let's move on. Our last question in this round, okay? Our last question. All of you are cricket lovers, so this will be an exciting question for you guys. Our last question. Rohit's retirement from Tests was justified. I don't know the cause behind Kohli's retirement. My wish is that he tries to play till he is 50. Which self-proclaimed Kohli fan was in the news for saying this recently?
MS धोनी. क्योंकि
That is the
50
wrong
तक
answer.
खेलने का आइडिया सिर्फ उसे और पाकिस्तान के कुछ क्रिकेटर्स को आ सकता है.
But wrong answer.
Shamik.
You want me to eliminate one more option from infinite options?
You want me to read out the question
No, I
again?
read.
Okay. Yes, Shamik.
Is
तोड़
it-
मत बहन चो 4 शो है. हाँ.
Is it Howrah Bridge?
Karunesh, yes.
Arshad Nadeem's coach.
That is a good attempt, but that's the wrong answer. Anybody else want to wager a guess? तू सोच ले. तू भागा तो मैं -10 करूँगा.
first my points.
Should we reveal the right answer? The right answer is अरे बैंड तो चुप कर right answer में जाते हैं. हाँ, let's go to right answer. रोहित शर्मा तालिबान leader. This is why some people say Kohli fans are toxic. He साला human rights नाम दे.
Can I say he had different opinions about girls retiring from education in Afghanistan. Okay, these people don't know.
Wow! Just because you're not getting applauses, you're going to shit on my audience? I don't know if you guys know this, but nowadays it's not just Raj Shamani anymore. Taliban leaders are also going on podcasts to give their points of view on sports and culture. Speaking of which, I'm going to give you another chance to win points. Which podcast would you like a Taliban representative to join in India?
I want to talk.
Which part?
Are you talking about my podcast? First of all, that's just how we talk. So -20
minus 20.
मेरे podcast का नाम भी नहीं पता इसको. Shamik, yes.
I would want him to go on Beer Biceps podcast because the name only is haram.
Karunesh, any thoughts on the Taliban leader going on podcast now?
I mean, Trump भी आ गया था podcast पे. मैं सिर्फ एडिट होने वाली बातें करता हूँ. Basically. बाकी कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा दिमाग में.
All right, Rohan, at the end of round 1, how many points does each of our participants have?
So Shamik is at 80. Anirban is at 110.
Karunesh का कितने?
Karunesh is at 160.
No.
Okay, this scorer I don't like.
यार मेरी सारी बातें एडिट हो जाएगी एंड में YouTube की ऑडियंस पूछेगी कि बैचो इसको कहाँ से पॉइंट मिले हैं. इसलिए तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं है.
Literally, मैं edit पे every time you start talking, I will put a screen saying this cannot be put on YouTube for all of our safety, but it was a great point. It was a great. ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा मुझे.
सही है, done है, best
justify
है.
करने के लिए. Don't worry, वो edit पे हम संभालेंगे.
एक और ऑप्शन है, ब्लर कर सकता है उसको एंड फिर म्यूट कर सकता है. ये सब लाइक अभी टेक्नोलॉजी.
तू देखेगा तो ब्लर ही दिखेगा तेरे को.
All right, now, guys, before we move on to round 2, this is a chance for us to do audience interaction. Anybody would like to come on in camera? Yes, come, sir. I love your moustache. Come. All right. Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Amit.
Okay, Amit. Now, this is a very important point in the game. Okay, that is your camera. Keep looking at that camera in front. Okay, हाँ, बिल्कुल वही वाला. अरे नहीं, sexy लग रहा है. Tension मत ले. कुछ नहीं होता. Who's that cutie at 320? कर देंगे हम comment. ठीक है? Now, Amit, very important point in the game. My first question to you is, which of the 3 comics are you supporting the most? You have to pick a comedian who you would like to win.
Actually, बीच वाले का नाम मेरे को सही से.
Amit has just said, वो बीच वाले का नाम मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
He's like the guy with whom I split the bottle. That's the guy.
His name is Anirban. You would like to play for Anirban?
Yes.
Okay. So Amit would like to play for Anirban. Yes.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you, brother. Since that fucker is not giving me points.
You can hold the mic. I'm going to ask you a question. Now,
Sure.
Okay. Here are the rules. Okay. I'm going to ask you a question. Okay. If you get the right answer, Anirban gets +20, right? Because you're supporting him. But if you get the wrong answer, Anirban loses 20 points, but you get 1,000 rupees.
मेरे पास पाउंड है, मेरे पास ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर्स है, मेरे पास मेरा पैन कार्ड भी है। हाँ 1000 हो जाएगा। आई थिंक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 1300।
How many points should we cut for breaking code of conduct?
I don't know what is sadder, that he tried to bribe or that he couldn't.
All right, plus 20 if you get it right, minus 20, but 1,000 rupees if you get it wrong, okay? Your question is, what is 1 plus 1?
13?
13, oh yes, that's the wrong. Thank you, Amit, thank you. You can go back now. Thank you, Amit. Minus 20 for Anirban. Where has he gone? Is he drinking under the podium? What? All right. After that, what are the total points after reducing 20 from Anirban, Rohan?
This game is like a game to just fuck me. What the fuck?
You fuck the game fucks you back.
Oh my god.
Okay, final. Okay, what are points?
Shamik is still at 80. Anirban is now at 90.
I got fucking 2 applause breaks during the
That
game.
was when you were bribing, not for jokes.
Yeah, what a thing to clap, by the way.
What's the holy book for this game?
Shame on you. Shame on all of you.
Yeah, Rohan
Is this
Desai,
what
wait,
you're
one
supporting?
second, Khamba. Rohan Desai, what did you tell me in the briefing call? Can you just tell the audience?
Why don't you tell me what you heard? Because clearly
I was not hearing, but
Okay. Should we go
Alright.
final score?
the scores are Shamik is still on 80,
Okay.
Anirban's on 130, and Karnesh is now on 180.
Okay, not bad. Okay, are we ready for round 2? Are we ready for round 2?
Round 2 is called Pick Me Behavior. Each contestant gets to pick a category on which they'll be asked a question. Let's play.
Okay. First category for round 2, Mughal Dynasty, Higher Education, Bong Ki Baat, Mads of Bollywood, AIB, Man's Best Friend, PM Modi, Korean music, and Salman Bhai. All right, so Karnesh, since you were leading, pick a category.
AIB.
All right, Karnesh has picked AIB. Afghanistan International Bank, or AIB. Is the largest bank in Afghanistan with 35 branches. Who of the following is not a member of the AIB management? Your options are Ramin Yusufi, Abdullah, Michael Cunningham, or D. Lalit Kumar Jha. Which of these is not a member of the AIB management?
तुम लोगों ने एक जोक के चक्कर में कंटेस्टेंट की इतनी गांड मारी है ये सवाल पूछ के. What am I supposed to do from here?
Pick one. Pick.
क्या किया रोहन देसाई तूने है?
I feel like no one on earth has asked this question before. It's so.
That is why this is the best quiz show on YouTube now. Exactly.
guys, just watch Quizzing with KV. This motherfucker is not there, thankfully, in that show.
Plus 20.
Plus 20.
Plus 20.
Hey, what? You can.
See, this is what happens when you get a joke and you don't bribe. Plus 20. Okay, Karnesh, take a guess on this question.
Because this could be a trick question and he sounds the most likely to be a member, I'm going to say Abdullah.
Hey, why are you saying the answer twice?
But that is the right answer. Yes, he is actually nothing to do with the bank. He is a former चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड फॉरेन अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर, मैं भी भूल गया।
सारे वैसे ही देने चाहिए थे, वो हंसराज हंस, आनंद राज आनंद, ठाणे पुलिस ठाणे,
ईशान किशन,
बूट्रॉस गाली।
All right, we go back to Anirban. Your turn now. Pick a category. अरे बजर की जरूरत नहीं, कैटेगरी बताने
नहीं,
का।
मैं ऐसे अच्छा ओके आई विल चूज बॉन्ग की बात।
What a shocker! What a shocker! In Bong ki baat, Bongs or Bengalis are primarily reside in the state of West Bengal under CM Mamata Banerjee. Which of the following is not a real quote by Mamata Banerjee? Option A, का ची 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 ची. Option 2, आप रॉक लेके खड़ा होगा, हम कुचुश कुचुश करके उसको काट देगा. ऑप्शन सी, कैशलेस के नाम पे बेसलेस हो गया और फेसलेस हो गया. और ऑप्शन डी, हम्बा हम्बा रंबा रंबा टुम्बा 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 बम्बा बम्बा रंबा रंबा. Which of these is not a quote?
We also
by
have one
Mamata?
more. We have one more option.
Yes, we have one more option. Shabba khair, abba khair, Joy Bangla. I think any of these could also have been said by Anirban tonight. But which of these is not a real quote?
No, I say this. My mother says this.
Wow, you are political royal.
No, my mother is the same person. Every Bengali woman above 60 does cha-cha, chi-chi, chi-chi.
I didn't say it. All right, Anirban, pick one.
ये 5 ऑप्शन क्यों दिया मेरे को?
I've given you more to pick from.
अरे that's also like more to get wrong, no?
अब इसमें 50-50 नहीं कर सकता ना.
हाँ, वो
जनता,
इसलिए
exactly.
मेरे को थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है।
नहीं नहीं, पिक जल्दी करो.
10
Don't have
ऑप्शन
all
दिख
day.
रहा है वो भी तेरे को।
दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ देख, वो चाचा चीची बोला है, कुटुश कुटुश भी बोला है। कुटुश कुटुश इज ऑल्सो लिटिल डर्टी टॉक इन बंगाली।
Too much information, but sure.
सेम फॉर हम्बा हम्बा।
Hamba is like her O Sanam, you know, the greatest hit. Like the one everyone knows.
Plus 20.
Last 20 was from me.
हेरा फेरी का गाना गा रही थी। हम्बा लीलो।
I would go for C.
That is the wrong answer. That is the wrong answer. So the right answer is Shabba Khair, Abba Khair, Joy Bangla.
That looked so believable.
Yeah. All right, Shamik.
We go with Salman bhai.
All right, Salman bhai. Salman The Satanic Verses returned to Indian bookstores last year after a 36-year ban. What was the reason the ban does not stand anymore? This is not a multiple choice question. Why did this ban get overturned?
Is it because after he was attacked, technically the ban is null and void? Like,
Because he can't see his own ban?
yeah, it only applies on. You'll have,
No.
Every joke I'm thinking you'll have to cut. So
Okay.
do you want me to say it? I'll say it. The ban only applies to two-eyed authors.
Nicely done. Good.
No. What is this one fucking person? do
Sorry,
that?
guys.
Okay.
I'm a big fan. I'm a big
Karnesh, you want
fan.
to take a crack or should I give you the right answer? कोई अगर अनएडिटेबल कुछ भी दे दे मुझे ताकि मैं बस शो में इन्वॉल्वमेंट दिखा दूं तेरी।
सवाल वैसे पूछा करना
हाँ,
फिर
sorry. है और वैसे भी हैं।
इसके बाद मुगल डायनेस्टी है।
+20 for Anirban. +20.
दे रहे हैं भाई.
+20 for Anirban. Okay, this is a tough question I get. Shamik chose wrong. The right answer is the Indian government couldn't find the ban order anymore. They just misplaced it. So they were like, since we can't find it anymore, fuck it. Like, what's the point of renewing it? That's why it's an interesting question. Anyway, yes, moving back to Karnesh now. Your turn to pick.
मुगल डायनेस्टी।
It won't be about the actual Mughal.
Really?
100%.
और क्या है मुगल?
वो देखना पड़ेगा.
वो खाने के बारे में होगा।
हाँ पक्का।
मुगलाई cuisine कुछ करके निकाल लेंगे.
चलो ठीक है, मुगल डायनेस्टी देख लेते
Okay,
हैं।
Mughal dynasty. Let's go to Mughal dynasty. All right. Along with being a Mughal emperor, Jahangir is also the name of Saif Ali Khan's son. What is the worst thing that happened to Saif in 2025? Option A, Bhopal Palace declared enemy property by the High Court. Option 2, getting stabbed by an intruder. Option C, Ibrahim Ali Khan's acting in Ramania. Or option D, Sara Ali Khan's acting in Metro in the Know. What is the worst thing that happened?
Very tough.
I think it's option E, getting to know that Taimur is going to be in Student of the Year 37.
Yes! Unvegetable, yes! Yes!
This is
Yes.
such a subjective question. We don't know what Saif thinks is the worst thing that happened.
Guys, pick well, yes, Karnish, pick a.
I mean, I'm just doing this for 10 points, but
Yeah.
getting stabbed by an intruder.
That is the right answer, obviously. Obviously.
Tough year,
Tough year for Saif. Tough year. This is true story. Pata hai which movie was Saif about to come out when he got stabbed? Jewel Thief. He got stabbed a couple of weeks before Jewel Thief. The first person who came to visit in the hospital, one of the first people, was Sanjay Dutt.
Okay.
Sanjay Dutt came to say, "Bancho, AK-47 रखना घर के अंदर." Anyway, let's move on. All right, Anirban.
Mads of Bollywood.
All right, Mads of Bollywood. Kangana Ranaut is known for her bold and blunt statements. Who is she talking about in the following quote? ओ चमचा चल, तू जिनकी चाट चाट के काम लेता है ना, मैं उनकी रोज बताती हूँ, ज्यादा मत उछल. Options for you to make it easier.
Yes, oh, you have
Yeah,
options.
options.
Give me 7.
Option A, Hrithik Roshan. Option B, Diljit Dosanjh. Option C, Rajiv Masand. Or option D, people of Manali.
Just generally addressing the whole group as
Who
chamche.
was she talking about in this quote? A fairly easy one.
Diljit Dosanjh.
That's the right answer. Yes, that is the right answer. This was happening during the farmers' protest when he was obviously standing up for Punjabi's rights. Kangana did not like it. I'm not going to say anything. She's an MP. Let's move on to the next one.
Arey, to the people of Manali, I was sure she didn't say it because to them she just said bye.
Yes, plus 20. Oh. No, it was almost there.
Pity applause.
Oh, you are saying pity applause?
Yeah,
Arey,
let's not count.
After seeing Rohan Desai's performance in scoring today, I support AI.
I think you don't know. Rohan Desai works for KKR management.
He's like, कोई चौका मारा, -4 दे दे.
Shamik.
We go with what everyone wants. PM Modi.
Yes.
Minus 20 for you.
Wow,
How
just
dare you question him? Disgusting. Absolutely pathetic behavior.
And also, where is the G?
sorry. Oh, yeah, I have to add it.
Just be happy it's not some random guy called Parshuram Manikant Modi or something like that. Just knowing these people.
Just for their joke, they'll fuck up the whole question.
Yes, Rohan. Sorry, Karnish, next point.
Man's best friend.
All right, man's best friend. What breed of dog does the right-wing ecosystem call Dhruv Rathi? Very easy one. Option A, Pomeranian. Option B, French Poodle. Option C, German Shepherd. Or option D, Shih Tzu. Fairly easy.
The right answer is option C, German Shepherd.
That is the right answer, yes. 10 points.
Yeah.
All right, Anirban, your turn.
Yes.
Last two left.
What's left? Korean music
Yes.
and higher education. Yes, I would obviously go for higher education.
All right, of course, obviously. Which of these is the odd one out and why? IITG, UPSC, CA, or NEET? Which of these is the odd one out and
IIT
why?
पे G ऐड किया, मोदी पे नहीं किया.
Plus 20.
Sorry guys.
20.
Odd one out का पता नहीं, पर इन चारों में अनिर्बान का फेवरेट है नीट.
Plus
Plus 20.
Plus 20.
Okay.
Yes, odd one out and why?
I would say CA.
The right answer is NEET. Because it's... It is the only TVF ने वेब शो नहीं बनाया है इसके ऊपर एक ही एग्जाम रह गया एक्सप्लॉइट करने वाला coming soon on MX Player. All right, last question. Shamik doesn't really have an option.
Korean music, fine, let's
Yes,
do it.
Korean music. Last option, Korean music composer Preetham Chakravarti. No relation to Shamik Chakravarti. Is known to create a lot of inspired as well as original songs. Which of the following songs is an original? Which of these is an original?
Is there none of the above? Was the option?
It is not, it is not. Not. Okay, which of these is an original? Let's go give options. बदतमीज दिल, ऐ दिल है मुश्किल, जरा जरा टच मी, भूल भूले या टाइटल ट्रैक, या अली, धूम मचा ले, तू ही खुदी सब है, शिकिदुम, प्यार की पुंगी, मौजा ही मौजा, पहली नजर में, क्या मुझे प्यार है, चन्ना मेरिया, दिल में बजी गिटार.
I feel so used right now. For your fucking joke.
Which of these is an original song?
इस पे 75-25 कर सकते हैं.
Guys, I know it's very tough.
इसमें phone of family करना पड़ेगा.
Frankly, this is one of those questions आप प्रीतम को भी पूछेगा उनको भी नहीं याद रहेगा. They'll be like, पता नहीं कौन सा कॉपी किया था
Just
हमने
give
बार.
me 45 minutes, guys. I will eliminate all of them. We go with Doom Machale, fuck it.
That is the wrong answer. That is the wrong answer. The right answer, I know it's a tough question. Channa Meria is supposedly. Yes, he pitched Channa Meria for Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Bhai didn't like it. Didn't initially belong to Adil Mishkil. And with that,
Bhai was like, ये सुना सुना नहीं लग रहा है.
yes, and with that we come to the end of round 2. Very exciting round. Rohan, how many points is everyone at the end of round 2? Please do the math and do not engage with Anirban during this math process. All right, we have the scores.
They've done such a great job. It's going to take us some time to calculate the final scores.
Got it.
You stay out of it.
Yes.
Shamik is on 140. Anirban is on 240.
Oh my god.
And Karnish is on 270.
Whoa. We can't. We'll have to keep all his shit. Oh my god. To justify this. Okay. Guys, let's move to round 3.
Round 3 is called Who Am I?, where contestants must guess which famous personality we are talking about while being blindfolded. Each contestant will get 5 hints and 3 attempts to make the right guess. They can only make 1 guess per hint. But here's the twist. Before the blindfolds are put on, each contestant must wager points from their current score in secret. If they get it right, they win the points they wagered. If they get it wrong, they lose the points. Will they play it safe or will they risk it all? Let's find out.
Are we going to be asked only one question each?
Yeah, 1 question and 1 person. You're supposed to guess 1 person and we'll give you 5 hints. Okay? If you fail to guess after 3 attempts, if you fail to guess,
Yes! Fucking fire him!
I'm leading in points. Can the first question be asked to me, please?
Sorry,
It's only fair.
is Mohammad Ali Jinnah a safety slide?
no. Now, should we add a 4th person? Let's swap. Okay, because Rohan has fucked up this round. Sorry.
Wow, what a
I blame
surprise.
Anirban. He got me drunk.
No, so here's what we'll do. We have something for the next round also. We'll just swap. Don't need to take tension in terms of putting a photograph. You can just put the name also on a black slide, just for this, given in the interest of time. And then you're fired, okay? Gaand मार दी, 1 महीने से
Does that
तैयारी
mean
कर रही
I am head writer now?
Yes, Aman. Congratulations on your new job.
I'll just check with you what I'm adding.
Yeah, because I will also need to. Guys, you can now blindfold yourself.
Is this the dating show?
Okay, Karunesh is going to be the first person. Karunesh, the more frontal you can look, so that camera में sexy दिखे तू.
I'm very interested in dating Anirban, पर उसके मुंह से दारू की बहुत बात आती है तो.
Okay, Karunesh, now that you're blindfolded, you've wagered the amount of points you have for this game.
Correct.
I'm going to give you 5 hints. You're supposed to guess who we are talking about. Rohan, let's go. All right. Clue 1. I bought corporate structure to a largely unorganized sector. Would you like to take a guess?
No.
No? Okay. I'll give you clue number 2. Bollywood celebs often dance at my son's wedding.
Mukesh Ambani.
That is the wrong answer. Okay, you have 2 more guesses. 2 more guesses. Newcomers I mentored eventually started competing against me. Would you like to wager a guess?
No.
All right, option number 4. You only have 2 left. I have made a huge impact on cricket. Karunesh, you have 2 guesses left. You can take a guess right now.
Lalit Modi.
That is also the wrong answer. Okay. I'm going to give you your final clue. All right? You're either going to get this or you're not. I ran a thriving import-export business. Your final option, Karunesh.
Vijay Mallya.
That is the wrong answer. That is the wrong answer. Oh my God. The right answer, Karunesh, was Dawood Ibrahim. But thank you for, I don't know why you called him Mukesh. I don't know why. That's crazy. I mean, eventually this show has to go to Jio. I don't know what you're doing. All right. Our next contestant is going to be Anirban. Anirban, are you ready? I'm going to start with your 5 clues. All right?
Yes.
All right. Your first clue is, I am a champion of female employment. Would you like to guess?
I would like to think.
I'll give you a hint. It's not the Taliban guy.
Okay. Yes, that is eliminated. Okay.
I'm going to move on to my next clue.
Okay.
People think I like my money the way I like my coffee, black.
What?
I'm assuming that is not a guess. All right, I'm going to give you clue number 3. My work is very popular in boys' hostels.
Okay, I would like to take a guess.
Yes.
Vijay Mallya.
That is the wrong answer.
Okay,
That is the
okay.
wrong answer.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
don't worry. You have 2 more
This
options
Vijay
left.
Mallya is in every question.
All right, clue number 4. I was a very diligent follower of the mask mandate.
What?
I
Mask?
was a very diligent follower of the mask mandate. You only have
Mask mandate?
yeah, mask.
मास्क ये जो आंख पे लगा है ना वही मुंह पे.
Oh, अच्छा वैसा mask mandate. Oh.
By the way, technically Anirban has played all rounds blindfolded in a sense.
Plus 20.
I would take an answer before the last hint.
Yes, take a guess.
Is it Mia Khalifa?
Good attempt, but wrong answer. Good attempt. All right. I'm going to give you one last option. My wife once offered UP and Bihar in exchange for a kiss.
I was close in the same industry.
What is your answer?
Raj Kundra.
Wow, amazing. Amazing, amazing. Good job, Anirban. That's the right answer. And now.
Great. I wish this was a category in round 2.
Lovely crack.
All right. And now, Shamik, it is your turn. Your turn. Now, all or nothing, all right? For Shamik, the person is. All right. Clue number 1. Everyone calls me a green flag. Would you like to take a guess?
Is it the nation of Pakistan?
No, that is the wrong answer, since we're talking about people here. All right, I'll give you a clue. I was portrayed by a British actor in my biopic. सन्नाटे छा गए हैं यहाँ पे.
Is it Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi?
That is the wrong answer. That is the wrong answer. You have only one option left. I'm going to give you your next clue.
Shamik, before answering, remember who has made the question. Okay. don't always think like criminal and all that from that point.
-20.
We will not let any comedian come to our show and insult us and bribe our fucking audience members. -20 to Anirban.
What the fuck? Again?
But you got an applause, so the 0 then.
Zero.
So,
Okay, thank you.
My goodness.
Okay, it is Shamik's question.
Yes.
Let's come back to Shamik.
Yes.
Option number 3.
Yes.
I am the reason you enjoyed the Asia Cup.
Okay, next clue.
All right, your last, okay?
2 more, right?
No, you have one attempt left and 2 clues.
Yes.
Okay. I want Patiala, but not its peg.
Okay, last one.
I always supported minorities. Chalo, we don't have all day.
Oh. I don't know, Yograj Singh.
Yogaraj Singh?
Yeah.
That is the wrong answer,
Oh,
guys.
damn it.
The answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We just
Nicely done, guys.
Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who is exactly in between the spectrum when it comes to Yogaraj Singh and I Show Speed.
Wow,
All
I
right.
never failed an exam after getting the answer. Fuck, this is so embarrassing.
It's like you're giving NEET.
ये हटा दे क्या अभी?
All right, you can now remove your blindfolds, guys. Okay.
I just want to tell everyone that just because you got something wrong doesn't necessarily mean that you might not win or might lose. 'Cause
Yes.
All depends on the wager.
Nice, nice. Nice try.
Cut this.
I love how Rohan is whispering since he fucked up. He's just like,
All right. Let's see. Shamik, you obviously gave the wrong answer. How many points did you wager that you're going to lose? He wagered 100 points. Oh.
Shamik, now you're only left at 40 points.
That was a good attempt by Shamik to play. Huge round of applause for Shamik. Coming to Anirban. You were the only one who gave the right answer. How many points did you wager?
Can I press this one last time?
You took money. How many points did you wager? $179.99, which is now
Making your total score 419.99. Not bad.
Like 2 more nines are there.
sure. Cool. You can bribe us later. With this.
I did this just to fuck with Rohan scoring in the end. Minus it.
next episode, Rohan is carrying a calculator or something.
Karanesh,
Yeah.
how many did you wager and lose?
I made the same joke as Anirban.
That means Karanesh has gone from the top spot to the bottom spot.
Silver.
You have to get Rohan to calculate this right to the decimal point.
Our final scores. Anirban is
419.99.
He's the winner. In number 2, unexpectedly, Shamik with 40 points. And Karunesh, whose footage now I can edit as much as I want. In the last place. Huge applause for Karunesh as well. Can we give the grand prize? And Anirban, please come to take your grand prize, the laptop.
Congrats, Anirban. You've just won a brand new kids laptop for ages 2 to 5 with rave reviews like Theek Thaak product, Goo, and railway platform announcement sound is more soothing than this.
That's it from us, guys. That's it from this episode of The Nation Wants to Guess. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you had a great time. Like, share, subscribe, and all that other shit. And follow us on Instagram @Nation Wants to Guess. Thank you very much.
The doggy. Press the correct key.